Welcome to the Ding Pong channel, and today's video is going to be side-by-side refrigerator that I have is leaking, and I'm not sure what causing these things to leak water, but it is something that's a concern of me, and today's project is going to be how to fix the freezer from night to drain off of the freezer to the floor. Okay, and so that's the project we're going to do, and I'm not sure what's causing it at this moment, but I have pretty much good idea what's causing it. And I think it is that in the back fridge, there's a defrost system. And once the defrost system is kicked on, the melted water has to go down to the drain pan. But somehow it's not ending up in the drain pan, and it's coming out of here to the kitchen floor. And so that's what I'm thinking. And so why don't we go ahead and take all the food off of here to the freezer, and let's go ahead and attack it right now for it. Meanwhile, I need to go ahead and wipe this, and let's go ahead and then do that process. So I believe the problem is the back panel. Look at really close. Here's the ice buildup back there, and here's a sheet of ice right down here in the bottom floor. So it looks like Antarctic in a way, but I believe it's the back panel is where the problem is. And so in order to take the back panel, I need to take the racks, which I already took it out, and then take this part out of here. And so the refrigerator that I have is GE. It's the maker for it for side by side. And let me go ahead and take this one off. So I took the back panel off here, and this system right here looks good. And there's no like heavy duty ice buildup, things like that. So that means that this defrost right here, the heater, working very, very good also. So when this thing is melted, it's supposed to go into that little hole right there, but it somehow is plugged up here and end up going here and going down here and to the all over the floor is where the problem is. So what I did is I took I unplugged this refrigerator here, and we're gonna try to defrost this and trying to melt all this ice off of it, and then try to figure out why that thing is not draining right here. And so that would be my next project for it. But for now, let's go ahead and get rid of this and that ice. All right, I was able to take the whole panel and everything off, and it looks like that the coil looks really, really great. And there's no ice buildup on there, so there's nothing wrong with that. The heater is working very, very good also, because it's been draining really well. Now I think from here, I believe the problem is right here where the drain. Can you see that drain? Let me go ahead and zoom up a little bit further. Zoom up, right there. I believe that little guy right there, it's been sticking out up to the surface, and that's where the drain is for the bottom drain pan it goes to. And because there's no water can exit out, because that drain right there, it is just sticking up, and so no water can go access to anywhere. And I think it's coming down right here. And let me zoom out right here and it's staying right here, and I believe the water is coming out from here and going down to the floor, to the right there. And so that's what I'm thinking, but I want to examine the back of the drain at the bottom refrigerator to make sure that everything looks good, and kind of go from there. Guys, I am so excited I was able to fix this. Look at this drain. I'm gonna pour water in there and it's draining. I am so excited. Wow. And let me show you what this type of hard water build in the drain area, and there was a lot more than this, but I was able to save a little bit so I can show it to you guys. But in order for me to drain it, I had to use one of these drain auger, and I got this from the freight tool harbor, and I was able to turn like this and get slowly turning it. As I was turning it, I was able to pull all the gunk out. So now it works. So why don't we go ahead and put together, and I will show you the final result of the working process. Has been plugged in, and let me show it to you. And ta-da, right here. And so that little hissing noise is normal. And as soon as this thing freezer works completely, then that sound will go away. But anyways, thank you so much for watching my video, and I see you next video for it. So thanks for watching. Bye. Guess what? Wrong screw. I grabbed the wrong one. See, I meant to grab this one.